welcome to my channel, The Makeup Phase. So today is the day that we've been waiting for. I finally received my Boxyluxe Boxyluxe Box. Yeah, that works. And it is so much bigger than I anticipated, but I am super in love and I cannot wait to show you. So yes, let's let the unboxing begin. So I just want you to see how massive this box is. It is huge, but I am so in love with what's going to be inside. All I did was kind of go through and remove some of the plastics and stuff like that so I don't look like a monkey trying to open things. But I did not test anything. I have not done anything. Everything has been left in here. I just removed some of the packaging. So let's get started. Okay. So I'm gonna have to move some of this around so that I can do this. Alrighty. Okay, so tis the Season by Boxylux. As you can see, how cute is this? So we are starting with Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is by Elemis. And that is what it is. So it is supposed to be able to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and give your skin a supple and firm, radiant feel. So it's a nice cream. It has a nice light smell, which is really nice. So it's not really strong and powerful, but it feels so hydrating, which is awesome. I cannot wait to try this out. Look how big this is. Like, this is everything. This is the entire like little canister. Like, this is a lot. So yes, I am super excited to give this a try. So what is next? We have a Tarte glitter lip paint. Where is that? Here we go. So this is in its packaging still. And this is Insta Famous, which who does not love that? Oh, how pretty. So it's kind of pink and glittery. So I'm going to get it open. It definitely looks pink and glittery on. So I'm not like the biggest person for glosses, but every once in a while it's nice. So if you can see it, it's really light. It's a nice light pink and it focuses more on the glitter like sheen part of it. So you can see there. So not bad. What is next? Violet Voss. This is the Pro HD palette, which is this gorgeous thing here. Hala! And it is hashtag Holy Grail. Yes, eyeshadow. Oh. And check out these amazing shadows. How can you not fall in love with them? They're perfect, great neutrals with the little sparkle. Cannot wait to play around with this. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I mean, look at the amount. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4. There are 20 different shades. Yeah, 20 different shades. How incredible. And they are a mix of matte and shimmer and glitter. so excited to try this out. Yes, it looks so beautiful. So next on the list is Suva Beauty, and this is the, oh, it's another palette. So it's the Protege. This is what it is. So it's just eyeshadow palette. I guess that's the name of it. Pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. If I am, let me know. And oh, there goes the plastic again. And look, just another part two to these gorgeous colors. So you have these amazing highlighting colors in like a gold and a light lilac. And then of course 4 matte colors and 2 shimmers. It's amazing. I am all for the palettes. So gorgeous. All right, and then next is the Luxie Rolls Gold Complete Brush Set. And ta-da! Look how amazing this is. This comes with a round top blender, tapered highlighting brush, Pro Precision, tapered blending, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and lip brush. And these are all cruelty free. How gorgeous is this? I know I already have the highlight tapered one. I think it's the only one I already have. I have like 3 of them already. But I absolutely love them. They're one of the ones that I use on the daily. I am just like, oh, so obsessed with it. It is so gorgeous. And I'm just removing plastic and stuff here. Let me just pull this out. So this is a little closer look at what they are. So this is, I'm assuming, the lip one. How cool is that? Look at that. So you can easily protect this brush here. Just put it right back. And boom. Completely sanitary. Look at this. This is a beautiful blending brush. Oh, yes. So amazing. Of course, we all know I love to use this, especially for my blush. And then this one must be the flat definer. So this is like another second best to like a kabuki brush. Only if you see like that it angles a little bit, so it's good to just kind of get it pressed on something. So also really amazing. Of course, like great little like a lining brush here, a little shadow brush. Can never go wrong with a spoolie, and then another shading brush. These are amazing. I am so happy with this brush set, and I'm so happy that I was able to receive it in my box. So let's move on. Now that I have that, let's get that out of the way. What's next? So Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. So this is interesting. And it is a body wash and buffer. And it says built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. Ew, how do you use this thing? Place sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motions to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. How many uses can you get out of this? So this looks like a starfish. And it's like semi-hard soft, so it looks like you do need to get it wet. But I guess you use it until it's no more. It's definitely gonna be interesting to try out. I am definitely not afraid with this. So it looks like it's meant to moisturize, soften, and clean. I'm kind of excited to see how that's gonna work and how long it's gonna last, because that's usually the key thing. How many washes do you get out of it? All right, next is Grande Cosmetics, and this is the GrandeMascara. and it is like this. It looks like a nice little bullet. And let's see what the brush is. So it looks like a decent like combing brush, nothing crazy. But it's supposed to be a lash boosting formula, so you know I'm all about it. I definitely cannot wait to try that out. And then for the last is the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder called Matte About It. Oh, how cute! So this is it. Yes! I know, I'm trying to get it out from the light. And it comes with a little powder brush. How cute! How adorable is this? So again, cannot wait to try this out. It looks so adorable. I am super in love that they gave me a little like powder brush. That is the cutest thing. A little puff brush. So I definitely love setting powders that definitely leave a nice matte finish. So I'm excited to give this a try. And then for the last part of it, I got this awesome little like wristlet clutch kind of thing. It's like glam AF. Yes. And then inside it has a portable charger. How cool is this? And this is from Crimes of Beauty. So here's my little portable charger. I'm guessing it charges iPhones or something. It looks like it charges iPhones. But this is so cute. So this is literally what it is. And it just kind of has like this nice like sleek feel, just very like smooth and cool. I wonder what this will do. Definitely really cool, and I am completely blown away by this Boxyluxe. It was so worth it. I am definitely far from disappointed. I got 2 palettes, a new eye brush set, a body wash / scrubber, setting powder, collagen cream, a lip gloss, what else? And then like the clutch to kind of seal the deal. This is definitely so worth it. I highly recommend it if you can afford it in your budget. It is an additional $28, and then I think it bumps up to like 30 something with taxes on top of what you would have already received from Boxycharm. So definitely this is so freaking worth it. And you have items that it probably what comes over $100. It's maybe less than $500 and you spend less than $100 on it. So like definitely worth it. I highly recommend it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have been long talking about this, and I am just so in love. Boxycharm was definitely one of the best investments in a subscription that I've ever done, and I just absolutely love it. So if you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Always follow me on The Makeup Phase and connect with me on LinkedIn. And never be afraid to leave a comment. Let me know what you got. If you didn't get the Boxyluxe, what you got in your Boxycharm, or if you're interested, just let me know. I have all the information down in the description, so all you need to do is kind of thumb through. If you have any questions, again, let me know, and I am not afraid to help you out. So bye my loves, until next time.